This is scary. 25 miles per hour. Well, hello. Good morning. Today is day 5. I was supposed to be in Missoula last night to pick up my son at the airport. Didn't make it because of the resonator. When you blow a resonator, the way you know is you lose your boost going up hills. When you're putting your pedal all the way down, there's something wrong. And thought I'd change it out there, but that didn't work out. Well, trip's not a trip without memorable moments, one of which is happening right now. Just checking on who's pulling up. All symptoms point to the resonator. The resonator blew outside of Denver. And when I found somebody to replace it, they put in the plastic one. The plastic one they put in I knew would be a fix. But I did order an aluminum one. Here it is, the new aluminum one. I have all the instructions. I've saved a few videos, and I'm gonna try to install it myself. I don't really have a choice. I have to go pick up George tonight at the airport, and I'm still 7 hours away. I'm in Crow Nation, right at the intersection of 90 and 212. So I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. I can get under the engine, try to do this. Wish me luck. I think I can do this. All right, this looks ridiculous. How do you like my apparel? This is silly. Here we go. Oh, it's getting warm. All right, tools you'll need. All right, instructions, check. Toolbox, check. As Cindy says, just start something. Just start it and see if it works. If it doesn't work, start something else. Okay, got my tarp. Yep, that looks good. So I'm going to take the heat shield off. All right, here's my turbo, and the resonator's right behind it. So I have to take this hose off. God, I hope it's just a turbo resonator. If it's something else, I guess I have to take the bolts out. All right, now I'm under the fan. Here's the bottom side of the resonator. It does look a little separated. And here's the bolts that hold it on. And hopefully I can get these bolts off. Oh my God. Oh, this way. All right, come on. Oh, come on, baby. Hopefully it's not stripped. Oh. I couldn't get the bolts off, and I found out later those nuts are permanently attached to the bracket I stopped in Billings, found another guy wandering around. So I begged him to let me run out to the car and get a picture, because he looked at the nuts and said, those are mounted on that bracket permanently. And I was like, okay. He goes, what's on the other side? And I said, I don't have a picture of that shows you enough of the inside of the screw. He said, that looks like an Allen wrench socket. In the directions it says they're Torx screws. Yeah, Torx type head screws, which really are very different than anything I've ever seen, but that's not what was in. So I got an Allen wrench set. Fast forward, got the tools, got out of there. I was so grateful that man knew that those nuts were attached. I wasn't so sure about this, because now I was even second guessing whether I was even in the resonator spot and on the bracket, because none of the screws looked right. I was deeply concerned at this point. So I found a Mercedes mechanic shop. I'll just go park behind it, and if I fail, I'll go to bed and beg them to help me finish whatever it is I can't do, because I didn't want to take everything apart and then run into a problem and be stranded. So I found somewhere near downtown. Hello. Got the van up, got the Allen wrench in there, got the bolt out, and then discovered the top one was a Torx. Then I replayed in my memory what was going down in Colorado. I remember tech there saying there was only one bolt on the resonator before. He didn't know what happened to the other one. Hey, Wolf, you gotta calm down. No, stop. So he must have put in that Allen wrench type of screw that is round on the outside. Anyway, I got both bolts off. Whoop, 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 whoop. Construction. And basically pulled the resonator out, disconnected it from the intake. I am east of Missoula. I'm almost there.